Hope got sick last night. Wasn't on the bed. She was on the bed. And she leans over the side and just pukes, like all the way down the side on everything. And it was not fun clean up. I started doing laundry at 1 in the morning. And went to bed once it went in the dryer. Then I couldn't get to sleep. It's crazy. But, bless her heart. Had a little meltdown. Kind of fell apart. It was a bad day yesterday. Too much. Come on, baby. We're trying her off the leash again this morning. See how it goes. How are you doing, pretty girl? Hey, come here. Come on. Hey, come on. Good dog. Good girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my goodness. It's Barky McBarkerson. Hey MJ. You ready to go for a walk? We're gonna go for a walk in a couple minutes. Yes, we are. Look at his tail just wagging. Look at there. Look at there. Ow! Look out, she's vicious. So I forgot to record us walking. Yeah, here's your food. Here's your food. Okay. Here you go. This one just took off on me today, so she goes back on the harness tomorrow. 2 out of 3. It's pretty bad, actually. Good girl, good girl. Dale's eating. It is raining. And I'm walking. Hey, you. Are you down here by yourself? You okay? Okay, good girl. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you're a good dog. Somebody's on the leash again tomorrow. Because you took off on me. Too many things. You couldn't control yourself, could you? Yeah, it's okay. You're so sweet.